Now this is gold on the daily. Let's jump quickly to the weekly and see what the weekly pattern is telling us. Not much really, just support, just holding on to support. There hasn't been any coverage of the previous week like we have seen in like I've shown you a few minutes ago in Excel. This has failed to achieve that. It is just showing stability, that's all. You can see it's been around here for the first time it reached this level here was in the 8th of June, the week of the 8th of June 2026. So quite a few weeks here. We have seen it going sideways here. So it's holding. That's what we can say. It's holding. In terms of the wave count, we really have to go to the daily and have a look what is going on here. I worked with this being an A, that's a B, down in a C. I'm not going to change that, seems to me still okay. The only thing that might require a change is we treated this as a 1-2, okay, no need to change that. Coming down, third wave, okay, I'm not going to change anything there, but the change could be introduced here. And let me explain to you. On the daily, we have treated this as a possible fourth wave, and that is squeezed in fifth leg, in effect registering a failure to break under this level. Now, let me be clear, it is a situation that is, in the case of gold, could still go either way. There are limits that we could observe, we should observe exactly how the price action reacts to them. But whatever happens here, if this is going to be an extended fourth wave, which is not out of question, if that happens, that's going to be your A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D. It's going to go up for 2-3 days, not make it really anywhere near 4,202. It's not going to make it, okay, because it's just going to be buried still in the fourth wave lateral movement before it gives up and it breaks to the downside here with giving you the fifth leg. The fifth leg that would resemble what we have seen here, or maybe much shorter than that. There is no guarantee it's going to be an exact replay of this. Yeah. Now, in order for us to have a clear roadmap here with the low behind us, we really need a clear jump above 4,202. There is no, in terms of the technicals here, there is no, from what I can see, there is no question mark. It's really got to clear this level, and preferably in an impulsive manner. Then we really go straight up. Okay, that's the way I see it. Now that's the daily. I'm going to go to the hourly, but before doing that, you can see the that's the 10 moving average. That's the 21. You got the 50 and the 200, of course, way higher. The only credit point that you can give to the price action this week, we have seen a nice jump, not terribly significant, although it went above my fourth wave idea, yeah, the end of the fourth wave. In order for the movement here to have really cleared the way and tell us that this is really a low behind us, should have really given us a clear 5-leg run. That has not occurred. It looks more like a 1, 2, 3. Okay, that could possibly be our fourth wave correction, but I can say it's making progress. It's stable, but the picture could still enable further decline. This is an interpretation that says no, possibly 5 legs were registered here, but this is a deep correction, I would say. Yeah, it could be an A, B, C, with this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. Yeah, A, B, C, like that. If that is the case, Monday, Tuesday, it's got to run back up there, but really run like that. That doesn't happen, then we are in a situation of extended fall. So that's going to be our A, that's a B, that's subdivided differently. It's going to be a C, that's possibly a C, a D, E, okay, or if it trails sideways without breaking the bottom here, it trails sideways here for the rest of the week. Yeah, it will finish the fourth wave and then the final decline. Okay, so that's gold on the hourly. Let me just jump back to the weekly before I see silver, and that is silver, and silver is evidently impulsive, corrective on the weekly. Yeah, we have our A, we have our B, we have C. Is it over? As you can see, the price action in silver in the commodity itself has not registered the coverage of the green above the or the, the red. We haven't seen it. That's would have been very positive if we got that. We haven't got that. It just shows stability. You can see it's just stability at this level. Now let's go and see the daily. The one thing that was different between gold and silver, if you remember, is that silver deep under these levels. So we could claim we have a clean run of a 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 because it dipped under this level. But that's not enough. In order to clarify that we have a bottom, we need to see it coming back. We had to climb above 63.10. If not much higher, of course. What it has managed to do up to now, we can work with the idea that we have 5 legs up, but that will require silver to go nowhere but just, get up and go. Get up and go. Here's our 10 moving average. That's the 21 right here. And you can see the pressure of the 21. Very clear. Look at this. 21, 21, 21, 21. Look at this. 21. And now what's that? Pressure, but was playing a support one day right here. Maybe that's the beginning of a change. Let's go and see now the hourly. So we go up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Not high confidence, but definitely possible. If that's correct, that's the beginning of a third wave. Because that's 1, that's 2, silver should look straight up. Straight up. Go to 61. Within 2 days, should be 61 plus. Okay, and that will still not solve the matter. In order to solve the matter completely, we need to see a run above this level, 63. I told you, 63.20. We run above this level, that's our bottom. That's it. That's what I would conclude. Now let's have a look at